As the saying goes, smoking is injurious to your health, but not to your wealth. That is what today's startup who is getting funding is telling. I'll tell you what it is. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap Up. The markets is on roller coaster. Definitely, it's on the upper trend, but hope it does not go into negative trend. But however, if it is going, still it's a healthy sign because there has to be some amount of consolidation in the market. Sensex went up by 593 points and the same closed at 55,437 and odd. Nifty went up by 164 points and the same closed at 16,529 and odd. Except pharma, almost all the other sectors ended up in green, and IT index added almost more than 1% of it, so that's a good sign. Ministry of Civil Aviation raises the cap on the domestic airfares. Now you will have to pay more. Initially, the cap on the airfare was limited to 9.83%. Now it is being increased to 12.82%, because of which almost all the domestic flights will increase their prices. That's not a so good sign. But however, economy is recovering, so a lot of travelers may get into travel zone, because of which you will see a lot of business happening there. LIC, who is supposed to come out with IPO, is saying that they split their IPO into two offerings. The experts feel that there could be a lack of liquidity in the economy, because of which this IPO may get a fair amount of negative review, is what they say. So what they say is this IPO intends to collect 1 lakh crores, and 1 lakh crore may not be available with people, so they may split the IPO into two pieces, is what the experts panel say. So let's wait and see how this would frame up in coming days. Go Color, which is into the leggings mainly for the females and the other fashion accessories, is coming out with IPO, and they expect to raise a good amount of money, which they haven't disclosed yet, wherein there will be promoters who will be offloading their stake and the pre-IPO investors as well. So that's a thing that we need to see. Ixigo, which is a travel aggregator, files for IPO, and they plan to collect 1,600 crores from the public, and 750 crore would be a primary issue, and 850 crores would be from the secondary sale thing, wherein the promoters as well as the investors would be offloading their stake. As I told you, Hash is the company which says that if you smoke, it is wealthy for us, wherein they are raising a fund. They raised a fund almost 3.5 million, and this they will be using to appoint 500 people in their team who will be feet on street executives at the same time, people related to sales and operations, and they intend to increase their market share. Apart from this, the top gainer for the day is Tata Consumer Products, which went up by 4.29%, and the same closed at 807 rupee 45 paise. Top loser for the day is Eicher Motors, which went down by 2.67%, and the same closed at 2,546.80. The CEO left Eicher Motors. That's the main reason why it's going down. But operational wise, they are spending a lot of money, and there are a lot of capex that they are expected to spend, because of which they'll increase the capacity. And yes, their bikes have a lot of demand. So it's ideal thing for you to invest in this company. So if you are investing for medium term to long term, that's actually a very good place. Look at it very carefully. Apart from this, gold has gone up by 177 rupees for every 10 grams, and the same we are trading at 46,540 rupees. Silver has gone up by 527 rupees, and the same we are trading at 62,387. USD has gone down by 1 paise, and it's trading at 74 rupee 80 paise. Euro has gone up by 20 paise, and the same is right now trading at 87 rupee 46 paise. Whatever was the upward movement in price of petrol and diesel yesterday petrol had gone up by 7 paise, today it's gone down by 7 paise, diesel had gone up by 6 paise, and it's today reduced by 6 paise. So whatever mistake government did, they have rectified it, is what I feel. But however, international crude price is going down thanks to the Chinese economy and US not piling up the stock, because of which oil is going down. But I think it's high time that government thinks about reducing it. Crude right now is trading at 5,123, and the same is down by 15 rupees for every one contract. The technical chart shows a lot of strength in the market, but as I told you, there can be healthy correction, and when the correction happens, it's opportunity for us to buy companies like Eicher Motors and other ones, so that you can get good results or good benefits out of it. With this, we come to the end of today's market wrap up. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends. And yes, take care of your kids, because third wave is going to hit kids, is what the experts say. So get yourself vaccinated and take care of your kids so that we can lead a healthy life. Have a great weekend.